Now I'm gonna show you our Avorza limo sprinters. And I gotta say, I'm very proud that I get the opportunity to do this besides the cars, because this is like a luxury on wheels. On this one in particular is a 2024. We changed the whole front end. We gave it like that Maybach look with a new bumper, new grille. We added some custom wheels, put some heavy duty tires because it does weigh a lot. Of course, the Avorza signature, so everybody knows who did it. Side steps that come as part of the kit, goes all the way back. And we also did the back bumper where it has exhaust tips that say AMG on them. It just gives it a different look. It's kind of hard to make a box truck look nice, but looks nice now after we did it. And the best part of it, let's go inside and see what luxury looks like on wheels. Well, customizing cars is probably one of the funnest things for me. But many years ago, a lot of my clients said, Alex, I don't want to drive, I want to be driven, be able to go out, do whatever I want, and have a driver private. I started looking into doing these vans. A lot of my clients either have yachts, they have airplanes, and you want to simulate something that these vans represent the other luxury vehicles these people have. You want to make them feel comfortable when they're here. The minute you walk in here, you want to enjoy yourself, be away from the world. And it takes a lot of art and time, because you're pretty much building a house inside of four wheels. But I take a lot of pride in making these vans. To know that we probably have over 100 vans out there, Avorza vans, makes me very excited, happy, because I know that this type of van will have a lot of history and great moments in them. So I'm gonna show you around and show you all the details and everything that goes into creating these masterpieces. And now that you've seen the inside of an Avorza limo, you can just imagine how many happy moments we're gonna have in this van. Also remember, if you are looking to build one of these personalized for you, we have many styles, many designs. Don't forget to click and subscribe on our channel and message us with your request. One important thing when riding in one of these vans with your friends, there's nothing better than having an Avorza vodka bottle.